My name's Riley Searin, and this is my story. My story was started and brought together in Washington County. I grew up on a hobby farm just located 4 miles south of Kelowna. Our farm is a working, growing farm just as any other. My dad is a 4th generation farmer, still working alongside his dad to improve and enrich the tradition for as long as it is in the family. When you hear the word farming, you think of family, and that's what brings us all together. Planning for the future generation can be difficult, but it is our duty as a farmer. While working as a local John Deere salesman, in the fall you can find my dad in the field working a happy medium while taking sales calls and also making sure everything is operating at its full potential. One of my favorite things to do is work alongside my dad on a passion we both love. Any night of the week, you can find us slaving away on a 640 cubic inch monster. Dad and I have been working on this rebuild for 3 years, and the day it went down the track was the best nervous rush we've had in a very long time. This is my happy place. I wouldn't be where I am today if it wasn't for cows. My dad and I run 30 cows together with an emphasis on raising show heifers. My show career started in the 4th grade when I showed my very first Holstein bottle calf. Not soon after that, we caught ourselves at county, state, and national shows, and before we knew it, we had learned way more about cattle than we ever would have thought.
From Washington, Iowa. Washington County, please welcome 16-year-old Riley Searin.
Go Riley!
Outside of farming, there are many hobbies I enjoy and take pride in. I would like to say that I have had a very eventful lifestyle thus far. I live by a quote that goes like this: "Not having passion foreshadows the future to failure. So always do what you love and you will come out ahead."
$60, put it on buyer number 14. Buyer number 14.